Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y squared in here. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have 2y because we just apply the power rule of the derivative and we have 6sy. Next we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So that should be about this one. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. And we have 6sy. We can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of 2x, we have s squared. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2 y squared. And this one we can put like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have number 0 because we don't have y. This one we have 2y plus d over dy 3xy. If we simplify it, and we have 3x squared y. So we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify 3x squared y for the both sides. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. So we have this one. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.